Where have all my animals gone? Let's find them. Look, it's a playground. It's so much fun here. There's a slide, a bike, and a swing. Wonderful. But what's it? Oh, it's a food truck. Now the kittens can have a snack. Pedro Pony is driving. Hello, Pedro. Wait a minute. What's it next to him? It looks like a dog's head. But where's the dog's tail? Let's look for it. How about we take a look behind this door? Let's open. Look, we found the dog's tail. Let's collect our dog. Look at this funny brown dog. Where should we put it? Not here. Not here. No. How about this green place? Let's put it right here. Well done. It's a bucket with colorful eggs. What's inside them? Let's find out. There's nothing here. Here too. How about the blue one? Look, we found something. What's it? It looks like a cloud with legs. It's funny. Let's look for more puzzle pieces. Here's nothing. And here, nothing. How about the yellow one? Look, we found a puzzle piece. Oh, it's a sheep's head. Let's put the puzzles together. It's a lovely white sheep. Where does it go? Maybe the pink spot. It looks like a pink cloud. Let's put it in. Great job! Look at this colorful dump truck. Let's unload it and take a look what's in its back. Look at that, what's it? Let's put these parts together. Oh, it's a pickup with pumpkins in the back. Where should we put the car? How about the yellow place? Well done! Look, there are 4 colorful buckets with gumballs. Let's see what else is inside them. First, the blue and orange ones. Nothing. How about the yellow and green buckets? What's it? I see something orange. I think it's a cow's head. Let's connect the puzzles. Look, it's a cute cow. Where does it go? I think it goes here. Great! It's a bucket of fruit. What have we here? Let's take a look. I see a crab. What else we've got? Oh, we found a puzzle piece. It looks like a chicken's head. Let's look for another puzzle piece. It's here. Let's collect our chicken. Well done! What a beautiful chicken! Where should we put it? How about this purple place? Let's put it in. Well done! Look, it's a flower-shaped bucket. What's inside? Wow, it's a lot of shiny gems. So beautiful. I wonder how many of them there are. We have something else here. What's it? Oh, we found 2 puzzle pieces. Let's put them together. It's a brown horse. How about put it in the tail spot? Great job! Thank you for helping me complete this amazing puzzle. I have so much fun today. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where have all my animals gone? Let's find them. Look at that. It's a colorful bucket full of shiny gems. How beautiful! What else is inside? Let's see. see? What's it? Look, we found our first puzzle piece. It's a funny cow. Where should we put it? Can you say a good place for a cow? Oh, I see a good place. Let's put it here. Great job! Wow, it's a fairy tale castle. Who lives in it? Let's see. Look, it's a little princess. Hello, princess.
Hello.
I think she'd like a cup of tea. Let's put her at the table. Well done. I don't see any animals here, do you? Oh, look, it's a unicorn. And he brought us the next puzzle piece. It's a chicken. Where does it go? Can you see a shape that looks like a chicken? I think I see it. Let's try. Right. Look at these colorful barns. Is anyone hiding here? Let's find out. There's no one here. How about these ones? No. Let's take these barns. Nothing. Let's take the blue one. I think there's something inside. Hooray! We found our next animal. It's a cat.
Yoo-hoo!
Where should we put it? I'm not sure. Do you see a good place? How about this place in the right-hand corner? Well done! Look, we have some colorful boats. It's a wonderful green boat. What else? There are orange and yellow boats. How about these ones? The pink and purple boats. There's a pig in the pink one. I didn't notice it. You hit well, Piggy, but I found you. Where does it go? Let's put it here. Great! Look, it's a house and a bunch of keys. Which shall we use? What do you think? I know! We need to use a green key in a cross shape. Let's look for it. Can you see it? Oh, it's here! Let's try to open. It worked! We found a green cat! Hello, kitty! And what's it? Look, it's our next puzzle piece. It's a dog. Where should we put it? Can you see a shape that looks like a dog? Oh, it's here! Well done! It's a colorful dump truck. What's in its back? Let's see. Look, we have our next animal. It's a donkey. Where should we put the donkey? How about put it here? Great job! Look at these colorful crayons. Which one should I choose? How about the yellow one? I wonder what's inside. Let's open. Look, we found another animal. It's a goat. Where does it go? Maybe here? No, I don't think so. How about put it here? Great job! Look at that! It's a gingerbread house. Is anyone home? Knock, knock, knock. Let's open the door. Look, who is it? Let's get it. Oh, it's our next puzzle piece. It's a sheep. Where should we put it? Oh, it's easy. I'll put it right here. Great! Look at this wonderful animal puzzle. Thank you for helping me complete it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.